And we are now gonna take a look here at this new Armytek Wizard C2 Pro with 2500 lumens. Very strong, small flashlight with many different functions or possibilities. You can use it as a headlamp. There is the headband in the package, and also a bike mount, so you can of course go for a ride with your bike and use this flashlight here. And there's a magnet here on the tail, so of course also as a work flashlight or light, this one is really usable. It's extremely solid, very robust. It's fall resistant up to 10 meters, and you can also use it underwater into a depth of 10 meters. 10 years warranty for the flashlight. The battery is I believe it's 2 years, so this is really very robust. And we are now going to take a look at the beam. I believe this is probably now already turbo with 2500 lumens. So basically the mode you were using before you switched off the light is gonna be saved and then reactivated the next time you press the switch. But of course there's a possibility to start in for example in a firefly mode. We are now gonna take a look at the different levels. Press and hold the switch to start directly in the lowest mode, a firefly, I believe firefly 1, which has about 0.15 lumens. So this is good for yeah, I can show you, it's about, I would say, 10 centimeters now the distance. So it's really a very small level or output, but it can be a great feature sometimes depending on the task. Now the second level, a bit stronger, and the third, which is basically still a firefly mode. And there are 12 different settings or levels. 3 of them are strobe levels. Now we are gonna use the main modes. With a double click you can go to the main modes, which are I mean, it's 3 different main levels, 2, 3, and then with a triple click you can go directly to the turbo levels. So now, yeah, we are in the turbo levels now. This is probably, I believe it's the max now, because it was the one I was using previously, so it's getting saved. And then with the next triple click you automatically go to the last used turbo mode. Now in the maximum brightness setting right now, 2500 lumens, a very strong and wide illumination here in the forest. And of course there is a step down, so I believe it's when you're in the turbo with 2500 lumens, after about 30 seconds there is a step down. Of course it depends on the outside temperature, and you can use 650 lumens over a long period of time. That is possible without a step down. And there are also strobe levels, 3 different ones with different frequencies. So we are now going to use the strobe levels with a basically 4 clicks in a row you go to the strobe modes. Yes, now this is one of them. The next one with a slower frequency, and the third one which is about the same but just not so strong. I believe it's about 150 lumens in that third strobe level, and the others are, I believe, in the maximum lumen setting with 2500 lumens, the strobe. Now again we are gonna go back to turbo, triple click, 2, 3 turbo. So now I'm not sure if it's truly on 2,500 lumens. It's possible that there has been a step down, so it gets reduced very smoothly, the brightness, so you almost can't really see the step down happening. I believe I believe it already happened. It doesn't seem to be on the turbo right now, but of course in most cases you don't need so much light, and as a work light this is strong enough, I would say, for most tasks. And also as a headlamp, very durable, rechargeable. Here on the tail there's a magnetic charging port, and the charging cable is included in the package, basically a USB cable. Now this is the Armytek Wizard C2 Pro. If you got any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I am now looking forward to hearing from you. See you soon in the next video.